Hi and welcome to the Freelance channel. My name is Floranta, and in today's video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to record your Android screen without having to root your device. Now there are a lot of apps out there that's available that you can use, but for this specific tutorial I'm going to show you how I'm making use of AZ Screen Recorder to do screencasting on my mobile phone. Now right now I'm making use of the Samsung Galaxy S4, and I will go ahead and walk you through the process on how I do it screen recording using my Android. First and foremost, you have to make sure that you have the app installed on your device. Now, you can find it on Google Play Store, and if you search for AZ Screen Recorder, you will see that I have already installed it. I'll go ahead and tap on this one so you can see that there's really a lot of people who have downloaded this app, and this one has been really great so far. Now, to get started on how to use this, let's go ahead and tap on open. And as you can see, it will open a pop-up that has those four icons. The one on the right side, extreme right, that is the exit or close button. And the other three, the red one that's lighted right now is actually the record button. The cog icon, that is where you're going to access the settings. So before we start, let's go ahead and see what settings I have right now on this app for this recording. So for the video configuration, I currently have it set to 1280 by 720p. So you can actually have it up to a maximum of 1920 by 1080p. And you have the frame rate set to 24 frames per second. And the orientation is set to auto. So if you wanted to set it as landscape or portrait, you can do so. Just tap on it. Now there are other features of this app that you can actually enable if you purchase the paid version. But if you're going to make use of the free version, it will be limited. Now there's some of this is making use of the text and logo, as well as recording the front camera, as well as other features that's not available for the free version. But basically, if you're just looking to record or do a screencast on your Android device, the free version will definitely work. But if you're looking to do something more with it, then purchase the paid version, which is only about 135 pesos. To start recording, let me go ahead and tap on the record button. Now there will be a countdown, as you can see in here. Now once you are recording, and if you have purchased the paid version, you can actually tap on the right side corner, upper right hand, and you will see that there will be a pop-up. You can tap on it, and from that point you can make use of that one to annotate on your screen. So you can unfortunately, I don't see any other options that you can make use of aside from the pen. I was hoping that there is some sort of a squares or the basic shapes, even an arrow, which is pretty basic if you're actually making use of Sketch or other screen capture devices or screen capture softwares. But so far it's not yet included in this one, so hopefully in the coming updates, the maker will include that feature for the next version. And once you have that, you should see the new option coming out. Let me go ahead and tap on the home button, and okay, we'll see that. All right. And so far, this one has been working perfectly. This is actually the first video that I'm creating, demonstrating this one, but I have done a couple of speed test recordings using the AZ Screen Recorder app. So far it's been good. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop the recording. I'll go ahead and tap on stop. And we're going to access the recording by tapping on the image icon, the photo icon usually, the third one from the left. And there you go. So you can see that I do have a couple of recordings already. In this, the current recording that I have made is this one. All right, so that's the AZ Screen Recorder for your Android device screencasting app. I hope you find it useful, and if you do have any questions, feel free to drop your comments. Hit like, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Do check us out on our next video.